Hello guys, welcome back to the Java fundamental course. So this is module 2 and in this module we will going to see what is a computer program and also we will run our first program. So just let's get started guys. So first of all we will see what is a program or what is a computer program. So a computer program is a list of instruction that tells a computer what to do. So in simple manner, computer program is a block of code in which we will provide the instruction and that instruction will be provided by the computer. So now everything a computer does, it is done by using a computer program. So if you have a PC, then every task will be done by using computer program. So computer program is written in a programming languages like C, C++, Java, etc. So there are various types of programming language. We can use anything, but in this program in this course we are going to use Java program. So now we have understand what is a program. So now we are going to build our first program. So let's start with the first program that student create. So this is the universal program. Every programmer start with this program, and this is the universal program. This is world famous program. You also starting the programming language from scratch. Then uh, you have to print the hello world. So this is the first program. So now how it will work. So now it is called a hello world program. So now how what it will do. So it tells the computer to print hello world on the screen. So now this is the hello world. We will just print hello world on our screen. So now how it will be work. So we need a way to display something on the screen, right? So what we will need, so we need a command used to print the text on the screen. So we have the command which is known as system.out.print. So this is the command which we are going to use to print the hello world. So now note that Java is a case sensitive language, meaning that uppercase letters and lowercase letters are different. So uh, this system.out.print, if you write this in uppercase, then your program will not work because Java is a case sensitive language, means uppercase yes and lowercase yes are the different. So you have to note that Java is a case sensitive language and you have to carefully write the program in the same manner as we have written this. So yes must be capital and all the other things will be in smaller case. Okay, so now this is the our command which we are going to print the anything we want to print on our screen. So now you must be wondering how do we tell the computer to print some specific text on the screen. So we know the command, but now we have a question how to print the text on our screen. So to achieve this you need a open close curve brackets just after the command and put your text inside them. Okay, so this is the command. We have the command like this is the our command, and after that we have used cur uh, curly braces. So inside that we have written the hello world, but this is not completed text. We have to modify this, and after that we will run this. So now this is the command which we are going to use for printing the hello world. Now so you can see that this is our program. So we have written this program in our command prompt, or we can use the IDE also. We can use the compiler where we can write our program, and after writing that we can compile and we can run that program. So now the text inside you write inside the open close curve brackets is the one that is printed on the screen. So now here you can see that we have written hello world. So this is the text which is going to print. So now we have written the text on the screen. So now this is the way to differentiate between the command and the text to print. So this is our command system.out.println. ln means we are going to print our text on the new line. If you can if you miss this ln, then don't worry, your program will be run but the output will be on the same line. and if you return the alien, then the new line will be added. Okay, so and after that, this is our text which we are going to print. So this is the also completed. Now in order to print any text, the text need to be enclosed with double quotes. So now you know that this is our double quotes, this is our double quotes. So we are going to use these double quotes, and here we can write anything that also going to run. So this is known as string. When we write any text between the two or double quotes, then this is known as string. We are going to also see the data types in our further videos. So just focus what is, we just have to write the first program. Don't just don't stress anything, don't worry anything. Just we are going to print our first program. I will teach you anything, everything I will going to tell you what is the fundamentals. So just we are going to print our first program. So now we are using the double quotes. Here we have not used, so we are going to use our double quotes. So we will put double quotes here, so this will become the string. Okay, so now that's actual way to print words on the screen. So this is the way to print the text, but it is not always, it is not completed now. So this is the our first. Now in Java we put semicolon after every command. So what is command semicolon? So this is the semicolon. We have put it one dot. We have used comma. So this is known as semicolon. So why we use semicolon? So as we know that in when we write anything in English, then we use full stop. So full stop is used to stop any statement. Like we have completed any sentence, then we put dot. So this dot is known as full stop. So in Java we use semicolon for our to stop the statement. So this is the way to stop our first statement. After that, so final command will look like this. So here you can see that this is the our command system.out.print. You can also use system.out.println. After that we have used two curve brackets, and after that we have put the text in that curve brackets, and we have used these double quotes. So when after using that, we have stop our program after by using semicolon. So this is our first program to print the hello world. Now after completing all these tasks, we can run our program in our compiler. So this will give the uh, this will give the output as hello world. So this is our first program, and now we are going to see how it will work in the compiler. So how we can use this to print in the compiler. So here you can see that this is our compiler, and in our compiler I will also give you video where you can, I have already made the video how to download the compiler and how to install in our PC. So this is our program, and we have written this in our Eclipse. So Eclipse is also known as IDE. We have already mentioned you that how to install IDE in our system. So we have already installed, and now I will going to tell you this program. So we will see all these things in detail in further videos, but I want to tell the just basics of this program, so how it will work. So this is the package. Don't see this because you will be confused. So this is not, if you don't write this, this is completely optional. So now from this we are going to start our program. So now this is a public class hello world. So as we know, Java is an object-oriented programming, so it will work in class and objects. So we have used public. Public is a object class modifier, or it is known as access modifier, and class we have give the name hello world. This is the name of class. So we will see all these things in our further videos. Don't worry about that. So now don't don't worry about this public static void main. So this is the place from where our program will going to run, or where the execution will be start. So this is the line, from this our execution will be start, and after that we have used this command as we have seen in our previous sites. So This is the command system.out.print and yes is the capital. And after that we have used this curly braces, and then we have used double quotes, and in that we have enter double text. So you can also change this text, as you can also write the name, your name you can also add, and you can run. So these are the curly braces. This, sorry, I have used curly braces for this. These are not curly braces, these are the curved braces, or these are simple brackets. Okay, so we have completed this program, and after that we have run this program using our compiler, and when we run that program we will get this output. Okay, so I think you understand all these things. So what we have seen in this video, so first of all we have seen what is a program, and then we have run our first program, which is known as hello world program. And this is not ending, we will see lots of things in our further course. So just stick with our course and just watch this all videos, so you will understand all the things. From, if you don't understand, if you don't know about any Java programming, you can learn from this course. So thank you so much guys. If you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask in our comment box. You can get the answers of your questions by as soon as possible. I will get the time. So thank you so much guys. I think you like the video. So if you like the video, then subscribe and like the videos. Thank you.